So I bought this 2000 BMW 323 Ci 3 years ago with 350,000 kilometers on it. And here's how it looks today. Not great, right? Headlights are smashed. The grille and hood are broken. So is the bumper. There's rust on the A-pillar. Rust on the fender. Rust on the door and rocker panels. More rust here. And here. And overall, just very poor condition. Now, this might not seem like a lot of progress for the amount of time and money I spent on this car, but let's go back to the beginning and do a recap of what we've done so far. I started out by buying every Bilstein and Sachs part I could for the suspension, including the shocks and springs. The factory shocks were completely blown, and here are the new suspension parts installed, including the lower control arms. I then found some 19-inch replica M3 competition wheels and installed those. Replaced the cabin air filter and blower motor, the power steering pump, and put in a brand new mass airflow sensor. I then moved underneath the rear of the vehicle to replace a differential mount bushing and the differential fluid itself. It was time to start on the interior, so I started with reupholstering the steering wheel, completely refurbished the center console, and the biggest project to date was to reupholster the front seats into Alpina spec ones. I think they turned out great. I then replaced these god-awful mirrors with M3 Club spec ones, tinted lens too, and finally installed an Enon Android radio. So as you can see, we've come a long way from the beginning. Even though visually it doesn't look that different, there's been a lot of work done underneath and in the interior. So I'm kind of on the fence now. Should I continue with this project? Or is it time to cut my losses and sell everything and move on? Let me know down in the comments below what you guys think, because if you guys still want to see this project completed, I'll continue to make content on it and finish it. Thanks everyone for watching, and looking forward to hearing your opinions.